So hey guys, today I'll be making your chapter linear equations in two variables easy for you. So I taught you on polynomials what is a linear equation. The linear equation is the equation which has the power as 1. Suppose like x plus 5 is equal to 0. This is a linear equation because it does not have a square like x square plus 2x plus 1, right? So this is that linear equation. So linear equation, here when you are talking about linear equation in two variables, we all know that variable is something that's like 2x. In this, the variable is x, right? Now in same equation there are two variables, and if any expression is known as equation, it must have an equal sign, right? So the basic general form of writing linear equation in two variable is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a is a coefficient of variable x and b is the coefficient of variable y, and c is some constant like any number or any value, like it does not have any variable or any other constant like functions like cos, sine, nothing. C is nothing but integers, which includes rational numbers, everything. Okay, so always remember, this is a general form of writing linear equations in two variables, where x and y are variables and a, b, c are constants, right? So we'll go for the next question for understanding. See, write the following equations in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, right? Here just like a is the coefficient of x and b is the coefficient of y. C is a constant, we all know. So coefficient of x is a. So in this case, a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3. And our c, constant c, if this term comes to our LHS, so it becomes 2x plus 3y minus 4.37 is equal to 0, right? So what's our c value? We can also write it as 2x plus 3y plus minus 3.7, right? So these are c value. C is equal to minus 4.37. Okay. Same way for the second question. Okay, wait. Second question. Bring each and every term to this. So x minus root 3 y minus 4 is equal to 0. Here a is our x coefficient, so a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus root 3 and c is equal to minus 4, right? Here also, in this, get this 4 this side, so it will be 5x minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0, right? Anyways, this will become 0. So a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to minus 4. And here there is no constant, so get this 2x minus y, get this all terms to LHS, and a is our 2, b is our minus 1 and c is equal to 0. Done. Yeah, write each of the following as the equation of two variables. See, equation in two variables means there should be an x and y, or any two unknown values. Or variables. So here in first question, it's our x is equal to minus 5, right? Get all these terms to the LHS x plus 5 is equal to 0. But this equation is in one variable, and we must get it into two variables. So x plus 0 into y. This dot sign is our multiplication function. So yeah, plus 0 is equal to 5. There must be an x and y in each and every equation. So let's go for a fourth question. You do on your own, and this also you do on your own. So there is no x variable here. So x comma like 0 into x plus 5y minus 2 is equal to 0, right? These are equation in two variables. Now let's go for the fourth exercise 4.1. The cost of a notebook is twice of the cost of a pen. Here this is a word equation. So we let the cost of notebook be x and the cost of pen be y. So according to the question, cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. So cost of notebook is x is equal to 2 times of cost of pen, right? In this, write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. The cost of notebook, like cost of notebook is equal to 2 times, or 2 times in the sense multiply into cost of pen, right? Same thing, cost of notebook is our x. So x and cost of notebook is, this is our main equation, and they're asking us to represent this into linear equation. So we get all this into LHS, or like x minus 2y plus 0 is equal to 0. In this, our a value is 1 and b value is minus 2, c is our 0. Yeah. So next question, question number 2. Express the following linear equations in yeah, same. These are a, these are b, and get this into this. Yeah, this 9.35. Here top, this thing is known as bar. Okay. This is an infinite series, like 9.35555, right? It goes on dividing. See, suppose while you're dividing 10 by 3, divide and see, you will be like 3.3333 and so on. It's like infinite. It's not divisible. It's non-terminating, right? Same way, if you can write this as 3.3 bar, which indicates that 3 is going on dividing itself, right? Same thing, bar. I suppose you understood. See, suppose now next we'll go to the next topic, solution of a linear equation. So if suppose any equation is given, like we'll take as 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. Now, which number in place of x and y satisfies the given condition? Like 3 into 2 plus 3 into 3 is equal to 15, right? In this, 2 is our x and 3 is our y. Same way, here in this question, you have to just take any value. Like for this, basically, keep LHS as y and send all other terms and numbers to the RHS. See, 5 minus 2x and the 3y, right? So y is equal to 5 minus 2x divided by 3. Now in this equation, put x is equal to 1. Then y value we get 5 minus 2 divided by 3 is 1. Yeah. Same way, put x is equal to 2, then find out the y value. And same way, put y value as 3 and find the y value. Right? That's it. Now we will go back to the question. So here it's x plus 2y is equal to 6. Now get y as LHS and send all to the RHS. Here, right? When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 5 by 2. And x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4 by 2 is 2. And when x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3 by 2. Same way, we find when x is equal to 4, y is equal to 1. So we found the 4 different solutions. Just write it down. I'm not doing as board perfectly like board wise, but you have to be very sure, like if you're writing, it should be clear and damn understanding. It should be like you're making a teacher eat cake from your hands. Okay. They should cry after seeing your answers. Now 4th question, find 2 solutions for each of the solutions. Same thing, I'll be making simplified for you, and like send all other terms to the RHS except y. Y is equal to 12 minus 4x divided by 3. Now put x value as 1, 2, 3, 4 and find y values. Okay. Same way here, y is equal to minus 2x divided by 5 for this, and for this y is equal to minus 4 by 3. But in this solution, in this question, you get only one answer as y is equal to minus 4 by 3 because there are not 2 variables, you can't find. Just say like since there is no 2 variables in the given equation, we can't have 2 solutions. Okay, that's it. Now let's go for the 4.2 exercise. Which of the following is option true? Like simple, infinitely many solutions. Same way, you have to find, make this like y, it's already in y is equal to 3x plus 5. Put any value and x like 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll be on getting solutions for y, right? Samely, infinitely many solutions. Understood? Same, that's all. Just write like infinitely many solutions. Since if you're putting values for x, you will all be on getting the values for y. Same here, same thing for this. Y is equal to 7 minus 2x. Take any values of x as minus. You can take even integers like minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and you can get any answers. Here also same. Y is equal to 9 minus pi x. You can even put 0 as x. You can take anything, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, anything. And even here, it's already like y is equal to x by 4. You can also take the same equations, but instead of putting x value, you can put y value. Like for this, x is equal to 4y. If y is equal to 1, x is equal to 4. If y is equal to 2, x is equal to 8. And if y is equal to 3, 4 3s are correct, 12. Right? So check which of the following are the solutions of the given equation. X minus 2y are okay. we all know that whenever in coordinate geometry, it's always like x comma y, right? So here x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2. Substitute x and y value in this equation. What do we get? 0 minus 2 into 2, which is equal to minus 4. Here it's not minus 4, so this does not follow. And here this, substitute x value here, 2 minus 0, so this also does not. And here this does, because 4 minus 0 is equal to 4 only, right? And here this root 2 minus 8 root 2, which does not. Okay, same thing here, 1 minus 2 minus 1, which does not follow. Okay, yeah. And here in fourth question, find the value of x if x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1, or 2 comma 1. And the given equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to k, right? What is that? X 2 into 2 and y is 1 is equal to 4 plus 3 is equal to k. Therefore k is equal to 7. Fine. Graph of a linear equation in two variables. Simple, dude. Same thing. Take y here, take rest, send all the rest integers, variables to other side. Make a table like x, y. If x is 1, y is 6. If x is 2, y is 5. If x is 3, y is 4. Make a table. Now point it on this graph. Here it becomes 1 comma 6 and 2 comma 5 and 3 comma 4. Minimum you have to take 3 points in this chapter. So yeah, wait. Correct. So here it will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct. So send wait 1 minute. Fine. Now here x's are 1 and this is a 6, so it will be like here. Fine. This this is our first point and 2 comma 5, and this is our second point and 3 comma 4. This is the third point. See, suppose now in this, always remember writing x-axis and y-axis, and this is our x dash and this is our y dash. I am not writing this minus thing here, and even here minus. You have to write on your own. Now we got these 3 points, correct? So this in the form like, wait. Correct. This is a point. Now always label the point here. These are 1 comma 6 and these are 2 comma 5 and this is a 3 comma 4. Now this line is not stopping anywhere, so it put these arrows. Always write scale x axis is equal to y axis, because both you are taking as 1 as unit. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, because in a graph 1 box or 1 centimeter is 1 unit, right? So always in a graph, do remember to write x axis and y axis, to name them x dash axis and y dash axis, and name the point, drop the points, name the points, like write down the coordinates and do write the scale. And after all this, just in front of this line write down the equation. Right, this is a total everything you should do in a proper systematic way, but you have to do this on pencil, with the help of pencil. And if you're doing with pen, some teachers may agree, but it's not a systematic way to write, so just don't use pen. Use only pencil on the graph. Other places like on your answer sheets and all, you can write it on pen. Fine.